Hi everyone, my name is Chelius for CreativePro. In this video, I want to show you how you can add bookmarks to your PDF file to aid people in navigating your document in a relatively efficient way. Now, to begin, we're going to start by opening up our Bookmarks panel, and that's located over here on the right of your screen. It's this button right here. Now, if for some reason you're not seeing that button, what you could do is simply right-click on an empty area of this strip on the right side of your screen and simply choose Bookmarks to force Acrobat to show that icon in this toolbar over here to the right. So I'm going to click on the Bookmarks button, and that's going to display the Bookmarks panel. Now, currently I have no bookmarks in this document, and so my objective here is to add some. So right now I'm on the opening spread of my document, right? And so it's important to understand that when you create a bookmark, it basically captures the current view that you're looking at. So I'm going to go ahead and come up here and click on the Add a New Bookmark button. And it's going to create a new bookmark that's untitled initially, but I can give this a more appropriate name. So I'm going to call this the Surfing Opener. And then I'll go ahead and navigate to the second page. And this, of course, is my table of contents. So I'm going to create another bookmark and call this Table of Contents. And then I'll go to the next page here. And I'm going to call this the Story Opener. And then on this page, I'm going to call this one Board Meeting. This one I'm going to call Coastin' the Globe. And then finally, I'm going to create one more and call this Don't Be That Surfer, right? Now, the way these bookmarks work is when you click on a bookmark, you'll see that it takes you to the view that that bookmark captured, right? So as I click on each of these bookmarks, it's going to take me to a different page inside of the document. Okay. Now, one of the things that I like about the bookmarks is that you can organize them hierarchically, right? So what I mean by that is I'm going to click on Table of Contents and I'm going to shift click on Don't Be That Surfer. And if you click on any of those highlighted bookmarks and you drag up and to the right, you'll see a line appear, and see how this line indents as I drag it up a little bit further. What that means is that it's going to nest the bookmarks within another bookmark. So when I let go, see how all of these 5 bookmarks are now nested under Surfing Opener, right? And they all still work the same way. They all take you to that particular bookmark, but now you've kind of organized them in a hierarchical manner. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete these bookmarks because there's another method I want to show you that's pretty easy for adding bookmarks to your document. Now, this next method is only going to work if you have tagged the document for accessibility. And I know, leave it to me to bring up accessibility in a tutorial, but this feature is actually pretty useful, right? So if I open up my tags pane, you're going to see that I have a bunch of tags in this document. And as you look through these, some of them are heading tags, okay? So I'm going to go back to my bookmarks. And if I click on this little 3-dot menu, you're going to notice there's an option in here that says New Bookmarks from Structure. And what this basically means is it's going to create bookmarks based on the tags that live in my document. So if I choose that option, it's going to give me a list of all the tags that it is seeing in my document here. And I'm going to select headings 1 through 3. So I basically am clicking on H1, then shift clicking on H3. And when I click OK, you're going to see that it created a bookmark. Now I'm just going to name this Bookmarks. And if I open it, you're going to see that it automatically added all of the bookmarks that are related to the different heading tags that are in this document. So this is a way of adding your bookmarks in a fairly automated fashion, right? Instead of me having to manually go through and create those bookmarks, I can leverage the tag structure in the document to create those bookmarks for me. So that's how easy it is to add bookmarks to your document using Adobe Acrobat Pro.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.